Welcome back to another one. New video. So in today's video, we'll be showing the Black Knight rat and its features. Let's get into the video. So let's start right where we add our IP and code. Now here on the screen, we have customization option. Here is the package section where you can create your own packages and you can use the inbuilt apps or add your own apps. Next, let's move to the information section. Here we have the name of our preset. If you are creating a customized one, then here, enter your app here. Here you can specify the name of the client you want to target, its minimum app version, and in the packs and tools section, we have options for hardware, low power, powerful. Here we have payload, uninstall super mode, and then here we have the version here. So let's build it. I have already installed the payload on my phone. So let's test it here. First, we have the file manager. In this, you can see whatever file access the victim's phone has. Here, you can see pictures, videos, etc. You can see here that it shows options like download, upload, encryption, and multiple other options. Next, let's move on to the SMS section. Here you will get all the SMS from the victim's phone. You can also go into the conversation if you want to see more. Next, we have the calls section. Here you can clearly and precisely see whom the unfortunate victim actually called, at what specific time, and which particular numbers were diligently dialed. Subsequently, you will then proceed to the victim's dedicated section right here. All the phone numbers stored in the victim's phone will be shown here. You can right click here to add or delete as well. Next, we have the victim's account, such as Facebook login. All their details will also appear here. Next, let's move on to applications. Here, you can directly and completely open various applications on the victim's phone with absolute and comprehensive control. So, as I proceed to open it here, allow me to meticulously demonstrate something else of significant interest as well, my dear and valued viewers. This particular chat is perfectly fine. Just kindly take note that it has been successfully opened and is now accessible. And here, I absolutely cannot show too much of this content because of potential YouTube policy violations, but what you will actually get here is a fully functional live screen display. This is where you can perform comprehensive real-time monitoring totally and completely. Yes, here you can see the live feed, and from here you can also control or open anything you want. You can do anything. Here you can clearly see you are able to effortlessly open it. Now let us gracefully move on to exploring the next exciting and innovative feature, which is the camera. Here you can conveniently select the desired camera option, alright? Here you can see that the camera has also opened, alright? So next, let's move on to the next feature, which is the microphone. Here, you can effectively listen to precisely whatever the unsuspecting victim is saying on their mobile phone. If you by any chance want to communicate something through their device, you can certainly do that as well. Now, let us thoughtfully move on to exploring the next significant feature. This particular feature here is quite critically important. For example, if I were to type anything at all here, should I choose to open any application or file within this environment or proceed to input any text, it will be automatically and instantly detected by the active keylogger. Consequently, this means that sensitive information such as various passwords can be effectively logged and captured here. Other important things also get detected and identified here. If you specifically need a custom mode or a personalized configuration, you can easily contact our support team here for assistance. You can also conveniently call this particular victim from the victim's own phone using the pre-downloaded and installed applications. Here you can enter any link and download any APK onto the victim's phone. Next, we have show message. You can type here and display a message to the victim like this. For example, if I type hi, the message will be displayed below here. Here at point, You can easily set any desired value in the clipboard so that wherever we paste using the keyboard, this specific value will be automatically set there. Next, we have now, if you want to open any particular link on the victim's mobile phone, you can simply and easily add the specific URL right here and then proceed to open it directly on the victim's device. Next in our comprehensive list, we have the very useful Run Commands feature. If you ever wish to execute various command prompts on an Android operating system, you can certainly do that with this powerful tool. For instance, consider this example. Here is the Gmail application. If I were to show this particular screen, then on the victim's phone, you would see the web page has successfully opened, presenting a fully functional interface. Therefore, you can clearly observe and understand here that if a user meticulously enters their unique username and their corresponding confidential password into the designated input fields, this critical authentication information will be securely and automatically transmitted directly to our systems, arriving here without any manual intervention or delay. That's it. Here, you can also clearly see all the detailed information about the phone. So in this section, we precisely get all the essential connection details of the client. You can also thoroughly check which specific IP address is currently running, and you have the capability to add them to a designated room as well. Here, you can easily renew the access for the victim, just exactly as it is clearly written and displayed here. You can also conveniently change the client's assigned name right here. So that's absolutely everything for today's informative video. If you genuinely liked this comprehensive video, please do stay connected with us. That's truly all for today's insightful video. If you genuinely liked this video and are interested in seeing many more similar and engaging videos like this one, please make sure to subscribe to our official channel. And if you are looking to acquire or buy these powerful tools, you can also directly contact our dedicated team or reach out to our official account for assistance. So thank you very much for watching this entire presentation.